Hello, my name is Stacy Coleman, and this is my interactive assignment for personality theory and social media. The introduction of social media has had some positive impacts on personality development while also having some very negative aspects. Facebooks and sites like it have allowed families and friends to stay connected in ways they were never able to before. These sites allow for the users to share self-improvement tips and to take a supportive role with strangers in their quests. Social media also allows for users to have anonymity and to present their lives in a way that can be unhealthy or aggressive. Our applicant today is Donna. She's a 49-year-old Caucasian female who works as a liquor store manager and also sells makeup online part-time. She is currently married with 2 adult children and 4 grandchildren. Donna was raised in a 2-parent household and reported that her childhood was positive up until her father passed away when she was under the age of 10. I met Donna when we moved to town. Even though we had both grown up there, she is several years older than me, and our paths never crossed. Donna sells makeup on social media and will argue against anyone who points out the company as borderline a multi-level marketing company. She is very successful and has thousands of people in her team. She regularly goes on trips with the company. She's also the manager of the liquor store and is a well-known alcoholic in recovery. Donna's social media presence is outgoing, kind, and adventurous. Donna is married to the mayor of the town, who is also a recovering alcoholic and runs his own successful business. When reviewing Donna's Facebook profile, it is easy to draw the conclusion that she and her husband have changed their lives for the better and are now pillars of society. What isn't shown because of Donna's ability to control her public persona is how her and her husband are known to be bullies in town, and because of his position as mayor, they don't believe many laws pertain to them. They speed through town, don't put license plates on their vehicles, and have harassed people to the point they have pressed charges, which are somehow later dropped. Donna can be very kind in real life, especially if she likes you, but she does not hesitate to make enemies. Donna involves herself in others' personal business and is quick to join in the rumor mill. There are several similarities in Donna's personality, the biggest being her being outgoing. The personality traits that make her a good saleswoman also make her a good acquaintance, as she is fun and can talk to all different people. The biggest difference comes with how she chooses to interact with others in her personal life. Humanistic theory is the belief that behavior is determined by the individual's perception of their world and the individual's journey to meet their own basic needs. The individual has the power to set their own goals and to take the steps necessary to reach those goals. The relationship between humanistic theory and addiction is the belief that addiction is a result of the individual being bored, lonely, feeling meaningless, or experiencing other negative existential crisis. For Donna, it is likely she began using alcohol at an early age because her father passed away during her childhood. It is also likely the experiences that led to her use substances to cope also carry through to her hard work and her desire to be thought of as a good person online, but not as concerned in her everyday life. This would explain why there is a difference between her social media personality and her real life personality. Social media allows Donna to have outreach to others outside of her geographical area. Her outgoing personality and her personal story of overcoming adversity has helped her become successful in selling makeup and benefits her personal life by giving her the opportunity to go on trips and seminars. She's able to have 2 separate personas through social media. Thank you.